Good afternoon, dear students. So in the last class we discussed about the what is that the rules of how that image formation in the convex and concave mirrors. Okay, the sign conventions we discussed. Okay, so Cartesian sign conventions. So here we'll do the problems now. So that just keep that in your mind, and also you keep it aside. So just whatever you wrote in the point book, keep it aside. So just and compare what I'm telling now, so you'll understand better. So yeah, the convex mirror used for, and this type of questions are very important for 3 marks as a examination point of view, or for 2 marks. So most probably they'll ask this type of questions for 3 marks. Okay, important questions for 3 marks. The examination. So in the physics, out of 5 chapters, you'll get around 25 marks out of 80 marks. So you'll get 25 marks from physics, that is from 5 chapters. Okay, so now in a convex mirror, so they're telling a convex mirror used for a rear viewing on an automobile as a radius of curvature. What they given? Radius of curvature. So what and all they given? So write it aside. So if you write that one, so it is easy to, I mean, if you write that whatever they given, so then for that also you'll get some marks. So if you write this radius of curvature is equals to 3, this is known as analyzing the question. For analyzing you will get around half mark. So writing whatever they given. So next, here radius of curvature is 3 meter, and if a bus is located at 5 meter from this mirror, suppose here this is a bus. Okay, this is a bus. This bus is located, so this bus is located 5 meter. So this here the one vehicle automobile is a, say it may be scooter. Okay, the mirror, this is a mirror of the scooter. Okay, the distance from this bus and this mirror is around 5 meter. So here which is the object? Object is nothing but this bus. And where is the image formed? Image is formed and in this mirror. The image of the bus will formed in this mirror. So that automobile mirror, rear view mirror. So here we can write that what is u. So u is nothing but object, small u, which is nothing but object distance. Object distance is nothing but 0, what they given, 5 meters. So here you need to write minus 5 meter. Why minus 5 meter? Because in the last class we discussed about sign convention. So the object distance always measured from the left of the mirror. Suppose if we take this is the right of, this is the, if we take this is the mirror, so this part as a mirror. So here the left side of this is known as left part, right side is known as right part. So the left side is taken as always negative. So just read in the, just look into that sign convention what we discussed in the last class. Okay, therefore the object is placed at this point, the mirror is at this point. So therefore what happened? So it is nothing but the image is formed, so that this object is moving like this. So from this mirror, so find the position, nature and size of the image. So before that we need to find v. What is v? So v is nothing but image distance. Image, v is nothing but image, so use nothing but object distance. Okay, so we need to find what is v, and also we need to find the position, nature and size of the image. Position, nature and size of the image. Okay, so how to do that now? We'll see now. So first one, what and all they given we wrote. Yes, so what we need to find? First we need to find v, and also we need to find position, nature and size of the image. So we know the formulas. Which are the formulas we know? So keep it right aside. So it is more helpful for you if you write all the formulas aside. Okay, first we know the formula, that is 1 by u, sorry, 1 by v, mirror formula. 1 by v, 1 by v plus 1 by u is equals to 1 by f. 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. This is a one formula. And here f, so radius of curvature, r is equals to 1 by f. R is equals to 1 by f. So what is what is f? So f is equals to, so we know that r is equals to, sorry, not r is equal to 1 by f. So r is equals to f 2f. R is equals to 2f. R is equals to 2f. This is a formula we discussed in the beginning of this chapter. So therefore f is equals to r by 2. Just remember this focal length. In the first, at the beginning of this chapter, we discussed about this focal length. So here now, what is f? So f is equal to, we know what is r. R is nothing but 3 divided by 2, which is equals to 1.5 meter plus 1.5 meter radius of curvature. Okay. So now we need to find v. So how to find v? Substitute this. We know u, what we know f. So substitute these values in the mirror formula. So if you substitute these values in the mirror formula, so you'll get that 1 by v is equals to 1 by f minus 1 by u. Okay. So now simplify it further. 1 by v, which is equals to 1 by f. So what is 1 by f? So 1 divided by f. F is nothing but 1.5. So then minus and 1 divided by u. U value is, what is u value? Minus 5. So here it is minus 5. Okay, now 1 by v, which is equals to 1 divided by 1.5. 1 divided by 1.5 minus of minus, it become plus, that is 1 divided by 5. Now simplify it further. You can take the you can do the cross multiplication, or you can take the LCM. So 1 by v, which is equals to, cross multiply this, so 5 plus 1.5 divided by, so 5 into 1.5, it is nothing but 7.5. Okay, now we know 1 by v, but we want we want only v. So for that, what we can do, so here it is, this implies 1 by v, which is equals to 6.5 divided by 7.5. So but we want what we want, so we want what is v. So therefore v is equal to reciprocal. Take the reciprocal. 1 by v is there, take the reciprocal. So if you take the reciprocal, the 6.5 by 7.5 become 7.5 by 6.5. We take the reciprocal relation. So here 1 by v, so here v by 1, that is reverse. So what is v by 1? V by 1 is nothing but v only. So therefore v is equals to, so simplify this, so 7.5 divided by 6.5, if we divide that, you'll get 1.15 meter. 1.15 meter. So we got v is equals to 1.15 meter plus 1.15 meter. Okay, so now the image, the image is 1.15 meter at the back of the mirror. So the image is, the v we got, the image is 1.15 meter at the back of mirror. So now and also you need to find position, nature, size. To find the size, what we need to do, so size we can find by magnification, whether it is increase in the size or decrease in the size. Usually in this there is no increase in the size, usually it will decrease in the size only. So we'll see that. Okay, now for that we know that m is equals to h dash by h. M is equals to h dash by h, so which is equals to minus, and also you can write here minus v by u. Do you remember this? Minus v by u. In the last class we discussed m is equal to h dash by h, or also you can write as a minus v by u. So m is nothing but the magnification. Okay, so here which is equals to v just now we found is nothing but minus 1.15 minus 1.15 m divided by, here u value is minus 5. So here minus and minus get cancelled. So this is equals to 1.15 divided by 5. If you simplify this, so if you simplify this, you'll get 0.23 meter. So therefore the image is, nature of the image asked, therefore the image is virtual, erect and smaller in size. so smaller. So if it is greater than 1, it is increase it. So it is smaller than 1, so it is lesser than 1, so it is decrease in the size. So the image, so image, so the image is virtual. So the image is virtual erect. The image is virtual erect and smaller in size, and smaller in size. Okay, I hope all of you understood this. Smaller in size. Okay, so this is how we need to do the problem. For this you will get 3 marks. So how many formulas you used? So here one formula, here second formula, and here one more formula. I'm almost the same. Almost in this complete chapter we have around only 5 formulas. That's it. Around 5 to 6 formulas we have in this complete chapter. Based on these formulas only they'll ask the questions. So only thing is you need to learn how to analyze the questions. Means first you need to write the data. After writing data, by applying the formulas you can substitute, so you'll get the marks. To write this data you'll get half mark. To write this formula you'll get half mark. For substitution you'll get half mark. For simplification you'll get half mark, and final answer. So every time the marks is half of it is increasing. Okay. Yes, look into this problem now. So here an object 4 centimeter in size. So object size they given, size of the object. So size of the object in the sense what it is you should recall, whether we have some terminologies. It is u, v, f, r, h, h dash. So in this object size which is come in what, so it's nothing but height of the object, so that is h. So h they given, h is equals to 4 centimeter. Okay, so then an object 4 centimeter in size is placed at 25 centimeter in front of the concave mirror. So what type of mirror it is, you should be see. So in the it's a concave mirror. Okay, it's a concave mirror. So here then object is placed. Object is nothing but u. So you can take it as 0 point, sorry, always you should take it as negative. So therefore u is negative and distance is 25 centimeter, so it is minus 25 centimeter. Okay, so next what they given, so of the mirror of focal length, here they not give radius of curvature, they will directly give the focal length which is equals to 15 centimeter. Okay, and what we need to find, at what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed in order to get a sharp image. So in order to get a sharp image, so that is image we need to find. So v is equals to what we need to find, and also find the nature and the size of the image. So that is also you need to find h dash. Anyhow we have h, so from that we can find h dash. Okay, again we know that formula. So to write this, if you write this, so you'll get half mark. If you write this all the data, so you'll get half mark. So now you write the formula. For this formula you'll get half mark. 1 by v plus 1 by u, we know that 1 by v plus 1 by u, which is equals to 1 by f, isn't? So 1 by f. So now substitute all the values. 1 by v, we don't know what is 1 by v, so write v as it is. So plus 1 by u, so u is 1 divided by minus 2.5. So 1 divided by minus 2.5. So 1 divided by minus 2.5, which is equals to 1 by u, 1 by, sorry, 1 by f. So 1 by f is 15, 1 by 15. So this minus 2 point, sorry, not minus 2.5, it is, sorry, 25, sorry, right, isn't? Sorry for that. It is 25, right? I wrote 2.5, sorry for that. So it is 25. Okay, it is minus 25. So that is minus 25 is equal to 1 by f. F is 15. Okay, now simplify it further. So 1 by v, so which is equals to 1 divided by 1 by 15. So if it transpose to right hand side, it become 1 divided by 25. 1 divided by 25. So 1 by v, which is equals to 25 plus 15 divided by 25 into 15. So what is 25 into 15? So 25 into 15. You need to simplify this. Okay. So now it is 375. So 375. So here what is 25 plus 15? So 25 plus 15 is nothing but 40. It is nothing but 40 divided by 375. So if you simplify this, 40 divided by 375, if we do that, so we'll get 8 over 75. What is that? 8 over 75. Both the numbers are divisible by 5. Okay, so 5 8s are 40 and 575 is a what 575 is a this one. What is that? Okay, now so 1 by v is equals to 8 over 75. So therefore v is equals to v by 1 is equals to, so 75 divided by 8, isn't 75 divided by 8. So what is 75 divided by 8? So 75 divided by 8, v is equals to 9.3. So 9.3, 9.37 meter, so centimeter, 9.375 centimeter. This is the image. So we got here 9.73, 9.75 centimeter. Okay.